First and foremost thing, if you are asking, the October 6th event is the Pixel 7 event, so we don't have to wait that long for it, but that might be the good news here. The bad news is that even being a flagship phone, and that is replacing the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will have only 2 storage options, and that's not bad though, but if you look at it, it's 128GB of internal storage and another one is a 256GB only. And that's according to reliable tipster Rule and Quant. Google India has only confirmed that the Pixel 7 series would be released in India. However, given prior performance, is highly probable that the Pixel 7 will launch simultaneously in India and the rest of the globe on October 6, 2022 at the Made by Google launch event. Now I know that I love the Pixel 7 design and all those stars. It does look like a Pixel 6 Pro, and that's not a bad thing because the Pixel 6 Pro is beautiful, but what the Tensor 2 chip will bring to the table is kind of sad. So the Tensor was Google's first in-house chip, made in collaboration with Samsung, even though they never said it. So Kuba has come out and said that Google's upcoming Tensor G2 processor will use the same CPU cores as the first gen, and the Mali 710 GPU details below, he said. He's announcing that the new phones that are going to be announced during October 6th event will use second-generation Tensor dubbed Tensor G2. Up to this point, not much is known about it. He said a few days ago somebody using dog food Pixel 7 Pro ran a geekbench score and revealed the following about the chips in terms of their score. Google went for 2 prime cores, 2 medium cores, or let's say performance scores, and 4 small efficiency cores. Now this is unusual, but the performance was good enough, but not the best. But then again, we have to consider that Google is all about the AI workloads than the typical performance, the raw performance. Kuba also said the G2 is way slower than the competition in terms of raw CPU performance. That would mean against Apple and this newest Snapdragons these days. That's not everything though. Thermal solutions, software optimization, and miscellaneous components also take a big part in delivering good UI and performance. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I want to know what you think of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, because these two devices look really gorgeous, and you can check out that unboxing video too if you want. Stay tuned for more updates. See you for the next time. Peace out.